Hello everyone. Tips to achieve good score in board exams. How to get good marks in board exams? It's a very usual question on every student's mind. Answer to this can actually help them achieve their academic goals. Let us spill the beans today and give you some really good tips on preparing for your board exams. Basic tips to get good score in board exams. First is always feel positive. Positivity is the key to success. Positive attitude does reflect your personality and help you face the situation easily. It will also increase your problem-solving confidence and prepare you to deal with exams. Second, plan well for your studies. You have to make a schedule for your studies and strictly follow it. Nobody can study all subjects in a day. So be selective about the subjects for a day. Keep aside a certain number of study hours per subject. You can divide whole syllabus across weeks so as to cover all subjects. So just stick to your schedule. Third, make notes. Writing and visualizing are the best way to remember for a long time. Whatever subject you study, you must make notes of it and revise the notes on a weekly basis. You can also refer flowcharts, diagrams and infographics. Preparing short notes would help you for quick revision as well. Fourth, be careful with your weak points. The best way to win any game is to know your weakness. You can make a list of your queries. If you are unable to get correct solution on your own, you can then interact with the subject teachers and get precise answers. Teachers' guidance will make a whole lot of difference in dealing with the preparation. Fifth, solve test papers and sample papers. This is also very important. Once you finish your entire course, refer to the board exam papers because it will help you to find important questions. Solving sample papers will increase your confidence. It will also prove to be a writing practice for your exam. You can actually time up your speed for lengthy papers and prepare yourself for them. By practicing different papers, you will be able to gauge the style of question papers, which is an additional benefit. Sixth, feel relaxed before the exam night. Be before the exam night because your mental status will have a huge impact on your paper. Never think of cramping too much, otherwise it may result in mix-up of all the topics you feel low confident during the exam. Know the concept well. Learning by heart after knowing the concept is good to improve your speed of writing the paper, but cramping without knowing the concept is a bad idea, so avoid it.